We're doing the annual getting of the Christmas tree, so it's like almost Thanksgiving. Paris Ice Cave, elevation 7815, so we're pretty high up. Not really much snow this year. Hopefully we get more. She said she found one, so I don't know. It's very, very bright out here. Can't even see anything. Need some sunglasses or something. I do not have any. Holy crap, it's so bright. Oh, it's perfect. That's seriously perfect.
I know. We'll just snip that branch that's hanging out and we're done.
So what do you think?
Easiest year yet, but that's because we don't have snow.
So it looks like we found it within the first 5 minutes. That's a record.
After everybody
timing.
making fun of me the whole way up.
Oh my gosh, it's been so painful every other year. So they're like, oh, I found one. No, that one's not good. Oh, I found one. No, that one's not good.
I'm not joking.
She said there's tons.
It's because we can't get up this high usually.
Yeah, that's true. We normally can't get up this high because there's always way too much snow.
Okay, so that one's easy.
And we've had a lot of rain this year, which is really good. It just didn't translate into snow, which I'm totally fine with.
Hey!
But we need snow because that's our water storage out here in the west. Snow in the mountains, and then it comes down in the spring. So apparently this one is it. And if we could get this one, it would be awesome because it'd be like record. I told her last night, if I never see snow ever again or have to be in it, I would be okay. And that is true. But now that I'm like up here in it, it's kind of fun when you're bundled up, warm. But I'm still cold. So you know those guys that do they get that little hand saw, and you see them in the Christmas posts on Instagram and Facebook or whatever. They have that hand saw that they're out there cutting their tree down, and I'm thinking, well, that's like the only time you ever use that saw. And you pull that thing out only for Christmas. Just so you can get the stupid picture with your dumb little saw. This is the way to do it, okay? Now this here's a tree right here. This is how you cut down a Christmas tree. But it's tradition, it's tradition. We have to use the stupid saw. Get this sucker started. Get out of here. So there it is, another year, just like that. We've got a pretty decent, good Christmas tree. We'll need to cut it down just a little bit to size it just to our house, but for the most part, it's pretty good. What a fun activity. Such a fun activity, right, Mark?
Not when you have these kinds of shoes.
Oh, you don't have boots on. Does Pal have boots?
Oh my.
Look at those shoes. Those are like Walmart special shoes.
They are. Hurry up.
What's the cover do?
Keeps me from cutting myself.
Oh.
Hurry!
Fine. Hey, you gotta squeeze in. Okay, see the flashing? Oh, that's cool. Dad is going to figure this out. Okay.
Just like that. Just like that. We get a selfie.
Very cute.
Tripod, picture. I don't need no stinking tourism person to take the photo. So we're home now. It's been several hours later. It's in the evening time there. And there it is. We cut off maybe a foot off the bottom just to get it to the right height. It's 9 feet. And then this little thing right here, this tree stand is the absolute best tree stand ever. So you can see this thing right here. It has like a little cable with like a ratchet strap. So you just step on that and crank it down. And it's got these cables right here. Pulls these teeth in there. If you're looking for something to give a friend or a family member as a gift, I'll try to find that thing on Amazon or whatever and leave the link for you or whatever. Affiliate link. I did forget to say one thing about this tree. See how tall it is? It goes all the way to the ceiling, and it's $15 for the permit. So you just pay $15, then you go cut it. But you gotta buy the permit. And that thing in the store would be over $100. So here's the final product right here, all trimmed out. Amy trimmed the tree. It's not the final product. Yeah, it is. So it turned out really, really awesome. She's got these little lights like this that they're like little LED lights. She said there's 2,700 lights on this tree, and that doesn't even include these balls right here. So it turned out really good. It's pretty and nice and smells good, and like it's good on the senses. It looks good, it feels good, it smells good, and it tastes great. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching again. See you guys in the next one.